Windows 10 retirement in 2025. Windows 10 has been a beloved and widely used operating system for Microsoft. However, with the release of Windows 11, Microsoft announced that after October 2025, they will no longer provide technical support or software updates for Windows 10. Windows 10 has been close to the hearts of many who spend a lot of time with their computers. It's a very stable operating system for a wide range of fields including gaming, video editing, graphic designing, house planning, 3D rendering, education, and web browsing. However, despite Microsoft's 2015 claim that Windows 10 would be their last OS, they released Windows 11 in 2021, with certain hardware requirements that older computers couldn't meet. Since then, many people with compatible computers have gradually switched to Windows 11, while many with older machines still stick with Windows 10. What are the drawbacks of Windows 10 losing official support? Many people have this question. Currently, Windows 10 receives official support and app/security updates. When official support ends, Windows 10 will become an obsolete operating system. Consequently, services like Microsoft Online Services, Microsoft Store support, security updates, and official support may no longer be available or will be reduced. For those who use their computers offline for daily tasks, these issues may not have a significant impact. However, for those who work online, this could be a major problem. How to upgrade to Windows 11? If your current Windows 10 is activated and your PC supports Windows 11, you can get a free upgrade to Windows 11 through Windows Updates or from the Microsoft website. If you can't upgrade to the new OS all at once, consider dual booting Windows 11 or installing it on another computer or a virtual PC to experience it first. It's possible that the date for the end of Windows 10 official support might be extended based on user feedback and complaints. We need to stay updated along with the world, and we might face such challenges. Thank you for watching until the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more videos like this.